happy. We're gonna get to go work on the black truck, which is over to my sister's house in their garage. They have a pretty decent sized garage. They let me store it in. And we got a couple of old time friends that, I don't know. New take. We got a couple of buddies that are coming over and are going to give us a hand. We're gonna get the interior stripped out of it, and we're gonna get the bed pulled off it. Those are two of the big things I want done today. So yeah, hopefully we can just get that done and have a good time doing it. It's been a long time since we've had any kind of fun like that. Just friends hanging out in the shop. So we're gonna do that today and just try to enjoy ourselves. So hope stay with me today. We're here with the black truck. I don't know if you can hear the bantering outside, but we got Wyatt and Alex both here. Scott is on his way. We have a garage. We've got music. I think it's gonna be a great day. So stay tuned with us. We're also gonna get a cold start on the old pig. It hasn't started since like November. Alex?
Stop.
Wyatt? You ever notice how they just keep getting fatter every time you see them? But yeah, so we're gonna crank on this for a little bit. I'll bring you back whenever we're actually starting to work on it. We're still waiting for Scott to show up, and we'll get into it. All right, guys. So everyone's here. Scott just showed up. Check out his truck. This thing is pretty freaking sweet. Old 90s, you know. Check that thing out. Sean, you're probably watching the video. What do you think of that? That thing looks pretty freaking sweet. Hey, let's see if we can get his attention. Yeah, we could. Wyatt's in here. He's pulling the seat. We're gonna put a kind of like a time-lapse thing up. I'm gonna set my phone off and just record while we're working on it. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here and probably echoey, but we're cranking on this. Bed's gonna come off. Interior's coming out. All the trim in there is coming out. And we're gonna get the cab lights working and fix the headlight thing so that way those little U-shaped things will light up with the marker lights, not the headlights. So we're gonna get into it.
cannot, you know.
Yeah. Hey, don't grab on that too much.
Why? My
Grab that corner.
Yeah, don't blame you for it.
I don't give a fuck. I gave you this truck.
That's so much easier for me.
Oh, fuck that. Why? At least it's like, oh, wait, stop.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, me and Scott took it all by ourselves.
All right, we're going to just set it right here for now.
It's gonna crush my bones.
No,
Hey, first view with the actual frame without the bed on there.
dude, the frame actually is in pretty good shape.
It's actual good
Yeah, but
steel.
it would have been fucking nice if you would have put that.
So like, well, it's gonna be the shape beyond right here. Instead they fucking have to the fucking angle iron welded in here for some reason.
Shock pipes look like they're alright.
Yeah, shock mounts look beautiful. They look new actually. They are new.
Are you gonna clean this up where you got the bed off, buddy?
Probably.
I would try to get this fucking undercoat off.
Well, because me and Sam are actually gonna go through and rebuild this.
Yeah.
Because since this shit's shot, I actually plan on just maybe putting a piece of.
Actually, not too bad.
Schedule 40 in there
It's
like you
all
did on
right
your old
there.
truck.
No, it's
Right
right
there.
there.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, that's what needs. Why it needs to come off. That. And,
I can fix it for free.
oh yeah.
I can go get some spray foam, fix that shit right now. Yeah, I'd like to see you fix that.
Okay, Wyatt's truck. This is even in worse shape than that.
Ain't bad.
Why
It's the body mount.
Oh, that's right.
Why it's 14? This piece is rotted in
No,
Yeah, that's true.
because he hasn't pulled his tire out yet.
Yeah. You like that? How they just kind
That goddamn last 95 I had, it had a fucking Bluetooth crossmember on it.
Probably.
That one that you guys never fucking seen that had the old carbureted 350 in
Wait,
it.
why does it have angle? That's not right, is it?
No, someone just welded shit in here.
That's supposed to be 2, right?
It's supposed to be like, not like that. What the fuck is that?
Dude, this is another one. What the fuck?
This is probably to strengthen it because that's all fucked. Like over there is rotted.
Yeah, but don't these supposed to have like the circles that go through?
No, that's
No,
like
these don't have the round
No,
crossmembers like that.
that's like the.
Boy, that bastard. That fucker is a ooh.
Yeah, it's bad. It's a bad shape.
It's nice. Fuck it, it's good.
But that's how they fucking fixed it. All right.
Dude,
Looks like something.
Dakota, me and you both met that fucking guy. It doesn't seem like he has very good fucking brains. He was kind of fucking
Dude, they
stupid.
have a great rubber line though, so that's cool.
I bet him.
Yeah. So I got to paint back here, which is one of the reasons why this came off, and me and Dylan gotta go through and fix this shit.
Are you gonna cut these back out after you? Hey, you know you take this truck in New York State, this is fucking gold.
Dude, this would be a fucking $4,000 truck in New York State. That's the emergency brake.
Do you a fucking favor, throw the bed back on it, send it to New York State, fucking sell it, we'll go buy you a fucking clean one.
No, dude, this gave us all a reason to hang out today.
I think we gotta put an airbag right there.
Dude, actually, I would like to put airbags on something. Either my red truck or, well, this one probably won't see many trailers, but my red one sees all kinds of trailers. It's gonna see a camper soon.
Yeah.
Better get a fucking new hitch before you think about hooking onto a fucking 8 or
Hey, Scott!
Seven,
I
right?
want to talk to you about your fucking hitches.
7 or 8
Yeah, I'm the
thousand
one that actually dropped the fucking trailer on the ground.
7 or 8,000 pound fucking camper. Yeah, don't ask me how that fucking thing was rotted.
What do you think? Do you think my truck would pull a camper the whole way down there? I think it would.
If a decent sized one.
Yeah, but I would.
Buddy, something like that fucking first one I had down
If
there.
it's gonna be
20 foot.
you three, I would
I
get
want to
like
get something bigger.
like
It's not gonna be
30 or
us.
32 foot.
It's not gonna be us three at first.
Well, 30 foot.
No, but I'm just saying.
Who's us fucking 3, motherfucker?
With a 30 foot, you're
Will you
gonna
take
need-
it with you?
Well,
right?
Maybe a Mercedes.
Oh.
Woman?
Oh, you'd be moving down there, wouldn't you?
Slightly. Not I don't know if it'd be permanent or not.
I don't know, you might get down there. Well, you can't. If you work for them, you wouldn't be able to be permanent.
Well, I don't know if they would even like if I like Texas and wanted to be permanent that
Why
way.
don't you go on
There it
vacation
is.
first?
Like, it's like a whole different world out fucking south.
Yeah. Out
Yeah.
fucking south.
Yeah.
Out
It's-
south.
Yeah.
Not down south.
No, because out west and then down east. It's out south.
I don't really like being out
It's
east.
west and south. You fucked me up when you to east.
See, I like it.
Everybody had 4 bed
I
builds
like
total.
Carolinas.
And
George
Georgia.
was a fucking.
Nah.
I haven't been to Georgia, but I'd
Dude.
like to.
Fucking, when I went to New Mexico, that was fucking awesome.
New Mexico?
New Mexico.
You were only there for like a day, and then what? You hopped the fucking
No,
plane.
I was like,
Plane and came back.
3 days.
Did you stay down there for a few days?
like 2 days.
Did he have to work when he went back?
I had a couple days off.
All right, guys, we got the bed off. I'll show you the weird, goofy shit that's going on with this. I don't know who did it. I don't know if it was the guy before us or the guy before him or the guy before the guy before the guy. But this is all rotted. That's all rotted. For some reason, there's angle iron here, here, there. So that's what needs to be fixed. Obviously, they were like, hey, let's just weld some angle iron in here, call it a day. It's not what we're doing. There's a whole lot of what?
I thought we were.
Oh yeah, whatever.
We'll just put more in.
Yeah, we'll just put more angle iron in. This isn't sufficient. But believe it or not, this thing has more leaf springs than my 2010 does.
Didn't some of these have like 4-leaf springs? I found that one truck I had like 4-leaf springs.
And some of them had blocks underneath the rear axle. This one doesn't. My Cheyenne didn't.
Mine doesn't. Mine's sitting down in the rear end too. Our cross member's in good shape.
Yeah, this cross member's good. Like this is a pretty solid frame. Like it'll be good to go. But we got to paint this and sand it. And thank you. Whatever. And then this one we have to just sand it and then paint it. And then we're gonna do a rolling bed liner here. We still have to pull out the carpet and stuff, so that's probably what we're gonna do next. And then that pretty much wraps it up for today. That kind of sucks. I was hoping for more. It's only 2 o'clock. What the fuck? 2:30. Pretty good shop day though. We ate pizza. We heard it start. I didn't bring you guys along for that, but it fired up and we cold revved the fuck out of it, so that was cool.
My job's done, so I'm leaving.
Oh, your job's done? You don't want to hang out, listen to music, and...
You don't drink beer.
Yeah.
Fuck, if we all wanted some beer, could have brought us some fucking Twisted Tea or Michelob or...
He doesn't.
I thought you said beer.
Any fucking thing.
I thought you said beer.
I mean, there's fucking beer in the
They
fridge.
didn't say wine.
Her fucking friend's supposed to be coming and getting it out of the fridge. Hopefully she fucking does. Get the fuck out of my fridge.
Yeah. I actually might buy some beer today so we can make some venison. You ever have that? It takes the gamey taste out of the meat. Anyway.
Alright, bitches, don't fight.
Alright, so... Actually, believe it or not, even these look pretty good, like new almost. Actually, this one hasn't been replaced. It's still riveted. That one's been replaced. It's got new bolts on top. But all in all, pretty solid frame, so I guess we're going to keep going with it. We're not just going to load it and take it to the junkyard now, so that's cool.
Oh, I thought that was
Not like
cool.
Chuck's truck with a great frame on it.
Yeah. All right. We're going to set you guys down, and we're going to listen to some music and get this interior ripped out. Let's go. We'll have some fun. All right, guys, it's getting a little bit later in the day. It's getting dark. Got pretty much everything we wanted to do to the truck done today. We got the bed off it so we can start working on that. We got the interior stripped out of it. Got the interior stripped out of it. My nephew come out to help a little bit. Say hi, Trent. We got some good help. Thank you guys for helping. Scott, thank you. Scott got a bed liner and the tailgate thing off of this truck because I'm not going to use it. And we got seats over there, which we'll stash over in the side. And yeah, that's it for this episode. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a like and comment what your favorite part was. Maybe that you want me to stop doing YouTube. That'd be cool too. Whatever. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.